This meeting is being recorded.
So we did last time the baseline expression. Okay. So now we'll be doing something called baseline non-expression. Okay. So areas where our baselines are not being met. So again, Manjula, if you remember, we did this activity with Nazia. I want to do it with you now. So what you need to do again is pick all the areas of your life and your baselines and see where your baselines are not being met in those areas. Okay, which of your baselines are not being met and which are those areas? Okay, so can you start?
Yes.
Yeah.
So my 6 baselines are love, independence, giving, assertiveness, being the best, and uniqueness. And that career and business, I would say that love and independence were not met before, but now it was met partially because I am doing the thing which I love. And all my baselines are getting satisfied with the career which I have chosen. Finance and wealth, none of my baselines are meeting. And I feel that's the lowest of my score in the wheel of life. Friends and family, love is partially met. There is independence a little in the family wing. But in friends wing, everything are being satisfied. In the family wing, love and independence are partially met. Independence is not there. Fun, recreation, and entertainment, everything are met.
Okay.
Health and fitness, I think giving and being the best are not met. Love life, everything are met.
Okay.
Personal or spiritual development also, everything were met.
Okay.
Physical environment, yes, everything are met. The area which is totally affected is the finance, wealth, and friends and family.
Yes. Actually, I was about to say this. So, so now you understand why the baselines are so important. So it will, if your baselines are not met in that area of life, you will always feel low. And if your baselines are being met in that area of life, you will be in your good state. So states, baselines are very well connected to each other. So if your baselines are met in that area of life, you'll be in a good state, right? And if your baselines are not met in that area of life, you'll slip down into an average state. Okay. So getting this realization of how the baselines not being met or baselines being met can affect the states in which we are oscillating, right? So now we will be doing another activity, which is called the change activity, and see what we can do in order to satisfy our baselines in those areas of life where we have identified as low. Okay. Great. So we will do this change activity when we meet next.
Okay.